the money part is can come and go, but this is like it's a life-changing event.
Today I'm going to introduce you to Keith. He's 23 years old and had a FUE transplant, 2,000 grafts, in February of 2018, which is 2 years ago. And I'm now going to show you the pre-op photographs so you get an idea of the fact that he had Norwood 3 hair loss with bitemporal hair loss, as you can see, and in fact also hair loss in the mid-anterior portion of the scalp. Look at Keith. And you can get an idea of the hairline. It is very natural. It's high density. Here you can see the donor area as expected. There's no scarring whatsoever. There's good uniform hair regrowth. Yes, this is typical of what you would expect after FUE. The transplant?
I'm coming back, so obviously I thought it was a good idea. I'm very happy that I did it. Yeah, made my day-to-day life much better, much easier. It's better looking in the mirror. Everything. I highly recommend Dr. Gupta coming here. I'm coming back for my second appointment, or second procedure, and yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Your friends and family commented on your hair?
The people who did know about it, yes, they knew a big change. But yeah, I guess overall it was kind of a subtle regrowth, so that was kind of good that it wasn't like everyone just noticed that. But people who knew about it did say it was good stuff, but it wasn't. Yeah. Anyway, I'll do better. And
you found that I think you alluded to the fact that in your personal and social life it made a difference.
Of course, it's going to make a difference. Like every day, every little part of the day. Like there's so many, I could relate to you on so many different little parts that I understand that you go through, and I highly recommend it.
So anyway, whether or not they want to do a hair transplant, what would you say to them?
Man, I would say, if need be, work extra hours, get a part-time job. Like the money part can come and go, but this is like it's a life-changing event.